If you're tired of unhealthy, frozen, or fast food nuggets, I've got the recipe for you. These baked chicken nuggets are crispy, golden, and bursting with flavor. They're great for meal prepping for the week or feeding the family for dinner. No complicated ingredients, just a simple yet flavorful breaded coating. These nuggets are so good that you'll forget they're actually healthy. Here's how to make them. We'll start with 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Pat the chicken dry with a paper towel. This will help the flour and breadcrumbs stick together. Take out a cutting board and begin trimming the fat off of your chicken breasts. Then begin cutting them into nugget shapes. Take out a bowl for your breadcrumb mixture. I already have 2 1/4 cups of panko breadcrumbs here. For our seasonings, we're using 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 2 teaspoons salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix your breadcrumbs and seasonings together. Take out a second bowl for your egg wash. Crack open and add 4 large eggs. Whisk the eggs together. Take out a third bowl for your flour. I already have 1 cup of all-purpose flour here. Preheat your oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out a baking pan and line it with parchment paper or foil. Give it a light spray of oil. Now we'll bread our nuggets. Start by taking 1 nugget and rolling it in your flour mixture. Follow that by dunking it in the egg wash. Finally, roll it in the breadcrumb mixture. Lightly press the nugget to help the breadcrumbs stay together. Place the nugget on your baking sheet. Repeat this process until all of your nuggets are on your baking sheet. Give your nuggets a light spray of oil on top. Bake on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove your nuggets from the oven, and you're set to serve your healthy baked chicken nuggets. These nuggets are flexible and work great as either a main meal, side dish, or as a party side with your favorite dipping sauce. If you want to make fewer nuggets, you can divide the ingredients in this recipe by 2. Keep leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.